Good afternoon, and we're back, and I'm here to upgrade my wife's laptop. Gonna replace the mechanical hard drive to an SSD. This is a 2TB Seagate, and this one is a 500 SATA SSD. This will improve the performance and make things a lot smoother and booting into Windows a lot faster also. So this one will still be used. By the way, this one is a Lenovo 330 Ideapad. This one doesn't have an optical drive. Instead, it has a Caddy like this. It has this slot here that you can put a hard drive like that. Doesn't have any port. So you need to buy something like this. It's a SATA adapter. Got this from Lazada. It's around 200. Put it here. There is the old drive. There. So you can slide it back in, and it aligns with the SATA port. But if you have a laptop that has an optical drive like this one here, you can remove it like that, and you can buy something like this. This is a hard disk Caddy. It's the same as this, but this one directly replaces your optical drive, and it has an adapter already. You don't have to buy one. And make sure you buy exactly the same model for your laptop. If it's bigger or smaller, it won't fit. The faceplate, you just get the old one from the optical drive. There, it's removable. Put it on the Caddy. Now back to the Lenovo. All you have to do is put the new drive in where the old drive was. With the old hard drive, mechanical one, the laptop doesn't really perform well. Sometimes it crashes or it stutters. Sometimes the program takes too long to open. And overall, it's not really a smooth experience. I thought this laptop already has an SSD, but it didn't, so I decided to put one. Just a 500 gig for the boot drive. SSDs will not really replace hard drives. Mechanical drives are still cheaper. Use it as storage, and then you can just buy like a 250 gig or 500 gig SSD for the boot drive. You can put Windows there to make boot up faster and make Windows a lot faster also. Upgrading to an SSD is one best upgrade you can do to your PC because it really gives you a noticeable difference compared to a hard drive. It really makes things a lot smoother and faster, especially starting up Windows or if you play games. You can really notice the difference in load times. So that concludes the video. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments below. And if you find this video useful, just hit the like and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.